Hi everyone, I'm Dilip and it's really nice to have you here. In this video, we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence, but specifically, we are exploring Azure AI, Microsoft's powerful set of tools and services. If you are curious about how AI can be used to build smart applications, enhance business operations, and drive innovation, you are in the right place. So, what exactly is Azure AI? In simple terms, Azure AI is a comprehensive suite of cloud based artificial intelligence services offered by Microsoft Azure. These tools help us build, deploy, and manage intelligent applications without needing a deep understanding of AI or machine learning. This is the official web page for Azure AI. I'll use this website to give you some brief info. Then let's move on with the official documentation. In the header section of this page, there are two buttons and one video. One button to get started with Azure, and second one is to explore Azure AI Foundry. And the video is also about Azure AI Foundry as well. Okay, let's go below, and we can see a few tabs available. Benefits, overview, capabilities, products, customer stories, learn more, resources, and next steps. Also, get started with Azure, right? I'm not going to talk about each and one of these things because it's going to take so much time. Let's quickly jump into the overview section. We can see model flexibility, enterprise by design, data integration, built-in safety, and beloved tool chain. Let's quickly view what are those things, right? Model flexibility, that means with the Azure AI model catalog, there are so many AI models, right? We can work with models through a unified API and we can select which model is right for our job. Okay. Second one is enterprise by design. We know Azure is a comprehensive cloud computing platform and it is used by so many companies, right? So that means we can build generative AI solutions at a scale with so many Azure services. Also, we can create AI agents as well. Next one is data integration. We can bring our own data into this Azure, and yeah, there are so many other data related services as well. We will talk about these things later in the future video. Building safety. When we work with AI, we need to concern about the security and other safety concerns, right? So this Azure provides the comprehensive protection against safety concerns such as indirect prompt injection, jailbreak attacks, and hallucinations. That's a great thing. So we don't have to work with that underline as a developer. Azure will handle this for us. But we also have a key role in this area to play, and let's discuss that later. Next one is beloved tool chain. Yeah, evaluate and scale generative AI solution in our preferred languages, frameworks, and environments using native integrations with GitHub and Visual Studio. And also, we can use Visual Studio Code as well. Let's discuss these things later in future videos. So, I'm going to move with the next section. Okay, the next section is capabilities. Empower all developers to become AI developers. So, Azure AI Foundry supports the full AI lifecycle, bringing AI, data security, and apps together for great impact. Okay, for the evaluate part, Azure provides simply selection, right? That means we can find the right model for the right job. Okay, so the second one is customize. That means we can fine tune and get the most out of our models. Safeguard means the responsible tools provided by the Microsoft Azure AI platform. And also, we can trace, manage, and also we can track and stay control throughout the life cycle of the development. We can track all of the changes and we can adapt to the changes. Okay, the next section is Azure AI products, and there are so many products. And in this featured section, there are a few products we can see like Azure OpenAI service, Azure AI Foundry, Azure AI Search, Azure AI Content Safety, 5 open models, Azure AI model catalogs, and the APIs and SDKs. Let's talk about these things with the Azure AI official documentation. I think, yeah, that's it about this website, and it's up to you to check all of these things, and you can find so many interesting points. Now, one of the major things that might seem overwhelming when getting started with Azure AI is the sheer number of AI products available. Microsoft offers wide range of tools and services, and it can be easy to feel a bit lost in the options. Don't worry, we are going to dive into them one by one in the future videos. But to get started, let me show you two major things that will help us hit the ground running with Azure AI. First one is Azure AI Services, and the second one is Azure AI Foundry. Okay, what are Azure AI Services? Let's jump into the official documentation and find about more. Now you are seeing the official documentation for Azure AI services. You can use and refer this documentation to build your solutions if you are working with Azure AI, right? Let's quickly check these services. Okay, let's click this overview. What are the Azure AI services? And we can see Azure AI related contents. As they mentioned, Azure AI services help developers and organizations rapidly create intelligent, cutting edge, market ready, and responsible applications with out of the box and pre-built and customized APIs and models, right? Example applications include natural language processing for conversations, search, monitoring, translation, speech, vision, and decision making, and so on, right? And in the below, we can see the available Azure AI services. When building AI applications, we can use the following Azure AI services. And another section we can see, these are the following Azure AI services are scheduled for retirement, and these services are still available for some of the existing applications, but they are not going to use new releases, and we cannot actually use them for our newly creations, right? So that means we are not going to use these retirements. We are actually using the things are actively in development. Okay, we will try to understand these things one by one. Azure OpenAI. Azure OpenAI service provides REST API access to OpenAI's powerful language models, including O1 family, GPT-4 family, and speech, vision, image generation, and embedding models, and so on, right? These models can be easily adapted to our specific tasks, including but not limited to content generation, summarization, image understanding, semantic search, and natural language to code translation. We can access to this service through REST APIs and SDKs like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, or in the Azure AI Foundry. In simple terms, access to OpenAI models including one GPT-4, DALL-E, and more. Azure AI Agent. Azure AI Agent service is a fully managed service designed to empower developers to securely build, deploy, and scale high quality and extensible AI agents without needing to manage the underlying compute and storage resources. What originally took hundreds of lines of code to support client side function calling can now be done in just a few lines of code with Azure AI Agent Service. So, in simple terms, fully managed AI agent service to automate business process. Azure AI Search. Azure AI Search is an enterprise ready information retrieval system for our heterogeneous content that is ingest into a search index and surface to users through queries and apps. It comes with a comprehensive set of advanced search technologies built for high performance applications at any scale. In simple terms, work with AI powered cloud search information retrieval system. Azure AI Speech. The speech service provides speech to text and text to speech capabilities with the speech resource. We can transcribe speech to text with high accuracy, produce natural sounding text to speech voices, translate spoken audio, and use speaker recognition during conversations. In simple terms, speech to text and text to speech capabilities. Azure AI Document Intelligence. Azure AI Document Intelligence is a cloud based Azure AI service that enables us to build intelligence document processing solutions. Massive amounts of data, spanning a wide variety of data types, are stored in forms and documents. Document intelligence enables us to effectively manage the velocity at which data is collected and processed and is key to improve operations, inform data driven decisions, and enlighten innovation. In simple terms, automatically extract and process data from documents. Azure AI Video Indexer. Azure AI Video Indexer is a cloud application, part of Azure AI services built on Azure AI services, such as Face, Translator, Azure AI Vision, and Speech. It enables us to extract the insights from our videos using Azure AI Video Indexer video and audio models. In simple terms, analyze and extract the insights from our videos. Azure AI Vision. The cloud based Azure AI Vision service provides developers with access to advanced algorithms for processing images and returning information. By uploading an image or specific image URL, Azure AI Vision algorithms can analyze visual content in different ways based on inputs and user choices. In simple terms, analyze visual data and content such as images and videos. Azure AI Custom Vision. Azure AI Custom Vision is an image recognition service that lets us build, deploy, and improve our own image identifier models. An image identifier applies labels to images according to their visual characteristics. Each label represents a classification or object. Custom vision allows us to specify our own labels and train custom models to collect to detect them. In simple terms, build, train, and improve custom image classifiers, that means identifier models. Azure AI Face. The Azure AI Face service provides AI algorithms that detect, recognize, and analyze human faces in images. Facial recognition software is important in many scenarios, such as identification, touchless access control, and automatic face blurring for privacy. Another important fact that we need to understand is that face service access is limited based on eligibility and usage criteria in order to support Microsoft's responsible AI principles. About Azure AI Face, in simple terms, detect, recognize, and analyze human faces in images. Azure AI Translator. Azure AI Translator is a cloud based machine translation service we can use to translate text and documents with a simple REST API call. The service uses modern neural machine translation technology. The custom translator interface allows us to use our translation memory to create customized neural translation systems. The customized translation system can be used to translate text and documents with the translator service. In simple terms, translation service can use to translate text and documents. Azure AI Language. Azure AI Language is a cloud-based service that provides natural language processing, that means NLP features, for understanding and analyzing text. We can use this service to help build intelligent applications using the web based Language Studio, REST APIs, and client libraries. In simple terms, NLP features for extracting, understanding, and analyzing text. Azure AI Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader, part of Azure AI Services, is an inclusively designed tool that implements proven techniques to improve reading comprehension for new readers, language learners, and people with learning differences such as dyslexia. With the Immersive Reader client library, we can leverage the same technology used in Microsoft Word and Microsoft OneNote to improve our web applications. In simple terms, enhances reading and comprehension with accessibility features. Azure AI Content Safety. Azure AI Content Safety is an AI service that detects harmful user generated and AI generated content in applications and services. Azure AI Content Safety includes text and image APIs that allows us to detect material that is harmful. The interactive Content Safety Studio allows us to view, explore, and try out sample code for detecting harmful content across different modalities. In simple terms, detects and filters unwanted content in text, images, and videos. Azure AI Content Understanding. Azure AI Content Understanding is a new generative AI based Azure AI service designed to process, ingest content of any types, that means documents, images, videos, and audio, into a user defined output format. Content understanding offers a streamlined process to reason over large amounts of unstructured data, accelerating time to value by generating an output that can be integrated into automation and analytical workflows. In simple terms, convert various content types into structured data, that means defined output. There is another interesting thing that we need to understand. It is the Azure AI Foundry. This is the website. Important fact, previously this was known as Azure AI Studio. And let's talk about more later. In this video, I'm not going to talk too much about Azure AI Foundry, but like to give you a small description. What is Azure AI Foundry, right? So, the Azure AI Foundry is designed for developers to build generative AI applications on an enterprise-grade platform. Explore, build, test, and deploy using cutting-edge AI tools and machine learning models grounded in responsible AI practices. Collaborate with the team for the full life cycle of application development. With Azure AI Foundry, we can explore a wide variety of models, services, and capabilities and get to building an application that best serve our goals. I think that's better if we can explore this amazing service in another video. Otherwise, this is going to be very long and you could get bored. So, there you have it. Azure AI is a powerful suite of tools that can help us take our applications and business processes to the next level with artificial intelligence. And let me know in the comments what AI projects are you most excited to build with Azure. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep your intelligence sharp.